Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II, and welcome to another live New York session. It is Wednesday, October 16th. And so before we get started on our session, let's go to Forex Factory and check to see if we have any major news. And for the 16th, we don't have anything. So that's good. But it looks like we're going to have a regular movement in the market today. So let's get going here. So we're going to be trading gold. We're going to be implementing the G.S.A strategy. So on a 1 hour time frame, we're going to figure out what is the overall trend. So you can see that from this swing low to this swing high, we see nothing but higher highs and higher lows. So a lot of previous higher highs were broken with further structure. Okay, so it's clear that price is trending upward. Let's go ahead and pick our trend line and draw that. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the CC trend indicator. And we're going to see if our CC trend indicator agrees with analysis on the overall trend. So both our trend lines here are pointing upward. So let's just know that, yeah, price is overall bullish. So that's good. So now that we have that, we are going to move on to a smaller time frame, which is the 15-minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the current trend, and we can see that looking at the current trend, we can see that prices stay trending upward. When you look at this swing low to this swing high, prices still creating higher highs and higher lows, and the previous structures being broken. So we can conclude that price is still currently bullish. So now we're just going to update our trend line from here to here. Okay. So we're going to erase this trend line. All right. Now, CC trend indicator confirms that all the gray lines are pointing upward. So we are still currently bullish. So now that we figured that out, and what that sound is. Now that we figured that out, now the next goal is to find the most recent swing low and the most recent swing high. So I can actually see that here. So swing low, swing high, and previous breaker structure right here. So that's what we're going to mark that. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to kind of zoom in on price so we can kind of see it just a little bit. But that's what I'm going to put. So I'm going to put most recent swing low here, most recent swing high, breaker structure right around this area. That's what I see currently. Yeah, that's what I really see. So then we're going to, we know that we're in a bullish trading range. So let's mark that up. So now let's go ahead and mark these up. So this is our swing low. This is our swing high. And the upside is that break of structure. And then this is our swing high. Now that we're in the bullish trading range, we're going to move the most recent. We're going to move us Fibonacci from the most recent low to the most recent high. Okay, and as we can see here, this is accurate because price did reject the between the 50 and 60% area. This price further up. So this looks like this is a solid buy zone. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually mark this up as well. Maybe this is our buy zone. Move it over to the right so you can see it over here. And then we're going to mark it up. So we're going to mark up somewhere. It looks like price kind of rejected the 50 and 60%, kind of rejected at 38.20 as well. When it's going to stretch out the pullback point here. So now we see where our pullback point is at. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our cheat code indicator. And you can see if our Bollinger Bands matches with the structure. Then we're going to look at the current market structure once again and figure out where we're at. So we see that the Bollinger Band is sticking out to here. That's cool. I can see that. So we could probably realistically stretch the zone if we wanted to down to where the Bollinger Band is at if we wanted to. That way we know where the pullback point is. Probably could just pull the pullback point right here. Where the structure is at here. Now, the reason why I'm doing that is because the most recent break of structure is that the most recent swing low I see is down here. So if price happens to stick out of this Bollinger Band, if for some reason breaks the structure, then we'll know that we're going to be looking for counter trend buys and retest sells. But if it sticks out and gives a cheat-code sell push up, then we're going to be looking for a retest buy after price varies from counter trend sell, either down to this structure or down to the Bollinger Band structure and push up here. So that's why we were looking at the current market trend. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and post. Let me do a couple of things first. And you kind of zoom in on price just a little bit more so you can see it. So that way we'll be prepared. We can kind of probably do it this way. We can do it this way. Let's put on the people and see if it's yeah. So that way we can kind of see it here. So that's good. So now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and post my rules, and then we're going to let the 9:15 candle close. Then we're going to go over confirmations. So that way we can execute your trade on top point. But let me go ahead and pause this recording. We have about less than 6 minutes before the 9:15 candle closes. So I will be right back. All right, so the 9:15 candle is closed, guys. So the first thing we're going to do, which we kind of already did, but we'll go over it again. We're going to look at the current trends market structure. So when we analyze the market, so let me turn off the cheat code. You can see that we're still currently bullish because from this swing low, this swing high, and we had a break of structure really around this area from what I can see. Well, really a break of structure really right here. So price could come anywhere down to this structure or this structure here or these Bollinger Bands and go up. So it's still overall bullish. Now, if price passes really this structure here, is what I'm looking at. And we might be ready to start looking for counting buys and retest sells. Uh, so let's go ahead and turn on the cheat code indicator and the CC trend. So now what we're going to be looking for is we're going to be looking for a high spike arrow. We're looking for one or two confirmations, either a high spike arrow indication for a reverse, a cheat code buy or sell signal, or a confirmation buy or sell signal. Price is above the HMA, so that lets us know that price is still overall bullish. So even if price pulls back, if it's still above the HMA, then, you know, that it might still be ready to buy up. So those are the confirmations we're going to be looking for. So, when the 930 candle opens up and official liquidity hits the market. So what we're going to do now is we are going to wait for we're going to wait until 8:29. So we have about 11 minutes for that. And then we're going to proceed and look for those confirmations and study price action and then wait for the right entry. So I will be right back. All right, so it's 11:29. So got to be one more thing. Okay. Everybody. All right, so now we set the alert. We got less than 10 seconds. So now we're going to focus on price action and look for those confirmations, and we'll see what happens. The first confirmation is price is above the HMA. So that's one. But price can come down to either this structure, or this structure, or stick out this bulge there. The price breaks a little bit of the structure, comes down and holds and pushes up, then it might be a sign of price still overall bullish. But if it breaks significantly past this swing low, then we might have to change our bias and look for correction sales and retest buys. So we just really need to sit and wait and look for confirmation and pay attention to the structure and price action. That's the sound there, but price might be in that stretch and ready to push that further. All right, I'll take this buy, guys. This is pushing up. I'll probably pull the trigger too quickly again, but we'll see. Something in profit. Let's see if we have that. All right. So we made let's see, close the trade. So we made about $57.85. So that's close. So let's see, that's today. Yeah. So today we made $57.85. So I went ahead and closed that because I managed to be used to closing in profit at least $57 to $60.70, but that's still gonna give us a good amount of money a month and until we get a lot more consistent. So let me go ahead and document my results, and then I'm going to share them with you. Even though we didn't get a signal on this one, but I saw that price was kind of buying up and really pushing. So I made an exception, but normally I don't do that, but I'm gonna work on not busting my rules. Let me call this recording and not do like that. All right, guys, so I documented my results. So as we can see, we got into this buy. It looked like a confirmation buy candle. Probably was a risky trade because I didn't get any confirmation. But we'll let it go for now. Put the pattern here. Jump down here. Maybe about 300 past a day that we have to drop. So we want this trade. I'm going to go ahead and share the results with you. So we're in the trade locker action. Let's go to the trades. Go to close position. So if you look at today, we made $57.85 on gold. Okay, so that's what's on today. Now, if you look at our overall account, let's click on all. So we're in the green by $29. So that's good. So we're back in the green as far as recovering this account, the no count. So if we do good tomorrow's session, it makes some more money, then we'll be in even more profit. So that's good. We're back in the green once again. I'm gonna go ahead and show my main screen, and we'll wrap this session up. Yeah, so it looks like price is really still rejecting this structure here. So it might do a further buy maybe eventually with this TP. So, but that's it for this session, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Now, actually, I'm gonna do a back testing session on this as well. So stay tuned for that. All right, take care.